Moving a picture in Microsoft Word can be frustrating because by default Word treats images like a giant piece of text. So if you want total freedom to drag an image anywhere, even overlapping text or in the margin, the most effective pro method is changing the text wrapping to a floating layer. So here is a unique and precise way to handle this. So when you click on the image in the Word, a small icon appears at the upper right corner of the picture. This is the fastest way to unlink the images. Select in front of text. Now you can click and drag the image to any coordinate on the page without it jumping between the lines of the text, like this one. For those times when dragging a mouse is too clumsy for a professional layout, use the nudge method. And you need to press the control key and press the arrow right key to move the image. This will move the image in pixel, microscopic increment, ideal for aligning lines or borders in a resume. If you press the Ctrl plus down key, you will see that more images moving from the downwards. Ctrl plus left arrow key. So this way you can easily move the image in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.